Sup guys, it's your host Dana. Welcome back. So, we're gonna get straight into things today. Apologies for being a bit late, but I had some things to take care of. So, we got the weekly candle close, yeah? Um, this is looking horrible, guys. Really horrible, okay? I do not have any other way to put it. Um, we are still above 15.8, fine. But I don't know for how long. Honestly, this weekly bearish engulfing candle is not looking good, so I expect us to go a bit lower. We will see what happens. We'll see if 15.8 holds, 15.8 to 15.5, okay? But things are not looking healthy for Bitcoin at all. I mean, everything that has been happening in the crypto space has started some type of a black swan event again. And I say again because it kind of, well, it wasn't a black swan event, but it kind of happened last time Luna crashed. And now we have this going on. We have the whole thing with FTX going on. There's a lot of uh, uncertainty around FTX, crypto.com, and Blockify, and so many other things, okay? So, as you guys can see here, our side is still below neutral, nothing new there. MACD, positive, but we are losing strength, okay? Look at the sell pressure that we got right here. Just look at that. I don't think we've had one this bad when it comes to the volume since, well, this is on Binance, okay? Let me just look at the index instead. It's much more better to have a look at. Okay, looking at the index, we've had, you know, more sell pressure in the past, but looking at the Binance chart, this is one of the biggest sell pressure in the volume bar, okay? Like there is nothing else compared to this one. There is nothing else as high as this one. So things are looking bad. That weekly bearish divergence is still there. It's still developing. And imagine what's going to happen when it actually starts going negative. Just imagine, okay? Last time it started going negative, you know what happened? We dumped even a bit more, okay? And when we topped, if you guys can see this, when we had a top, we had also some hidden bearish divergence. And when it went negative, things were not getting any better, okay? So, copium, guys, copium. Just breathe in the copium. Just try to cope with things right now. Like, I don't know how to put this. Just try to cope with it because it's not looking good at all, okay? Looking at the daily, let's go ahead and look at the daily. Look at this. Another bearish engulfing candle on the daily close. Like things are not looking good. I've been saying this a while now. I mean, nobody saw what was coming with FTX and SBF and so on. I never liked the dude. Like he gave me the, I don't know, like I didn't have a good feeling about him, you know? But I cannot say that I saw this coming. I didn't. But you know what they say? Show me the chart and I'll tell you the news. Looking at the chart, we did know that things were gonna go down. Like, this is not surprising. We were just, you know, waiting for it, and it did go down, but FTX really, like SBF, FTX, same, really started making things worse. Looking at the daily volume, it's kind of stable. I mean, been stable past 2 days. We do have negative momentum on the MACD, which is, you know, bearish as well. RSI is below neutral, okay? Looking at the Japanese indicators, I do not see anything indicating that the bears are losing steam. I mean, not even a little bit. I wish I could come here and tell you guys, okay, like, we might be bottoming right now, but I do not see any indications at the moment. Same thing on the 4-hourly chart. We closed with a bearish engulfing candle, okay? Let's see now. We are losing the strength and the positive momentum. This is not good. Like, nothing is not looking good. Not the weekly, not the daily, not the 4-hourly. Like, I don't know. It's bad, guys. It's bad, okay? Our size still below neutral, and looking at my other screen, just let me have a look at the moving averages. Oh, so daily 20 period moving average just started curling below the 50 period moving average, which is another bearish indication. Like, I can keep on going, but you guys get the point, right? This is not looking good. Let's have a look at Ethereum real fast as well. Weekly Ethereum, same thing. And if you guys know this pattern right here, this 3-line candle pattern, Japanese indicators are telling us things are bearish. And let me look at the moving averages on my other screen, just a minute. Okay, weekly is still above, I mean, short term is still above the weekly. So the 20 period moving average is above the 200 period moving average, okay? But price action, guys, the bad news is price action. We lost support. Like, we just closed below the long-term moving average, okay? That's another bearish indication. Looking at the RSI on this screen, the one that you guys are looking at, we are losing positive momentum on the MACD, okay? RSI is below neutral, bearish engulfing candle. Things are looking horrible, just horrible. Let's see now. Like, okay, we are still holding at these levels, this support right here, but if we close even a 4-hourly below $1,200, okay, 1,009, let's just say, to be a bit more conservative, $1,190, we're going lower. And you know, we got some support at this level, but the main support that we have is actually around these levels, okay, around the $1,000-ish. But things are not looking good. Things are not looking good, neither on the weekly, neither on the daily. It's bad. It's really bad right now. Like, if we can't hold around the $1,000, you guys know there is literally nothing holding us until this level. Not far from 1,000, I know, but not much holding us until this. And if we lose that one, I don't want to get into it now. I don't want to, like, people are already trying to cope with the whole situation. So I don't want to freak people out, but things are not looking good, okay? Let's have a look at Ripple as well. This is bad. This is bad, guys. I have been speaking about the weekly bearish divergence for a while, okay? On the weekly. And even though we still have positive momentum on the MACD, we are losing strength. RSI is below neutral. We are below all moving averages. I can have a look at the 20 period moving average as well. Just a minute. Yep, 20 period moving average is below the long term and below the midterm. And on these settings in the chart that you guys are having a look at, you guys see how it's sharply, like, the short-term moving average is sharply getting below, like, it wants to get below the long-term moving average, okay? Like, we tried to break above 0.5, nothing happened. And what do you expect when everything else in the market is like going left? And when I say going left, I mean doing bad, okay? So things are not looking good at all. If we lose this support around 0. Let's see now. And this is on the weekly. Let me look at the daily instead. Okay, so if we lose support around 0.28, okay, see eventually around 0.23 ish, 0.24, we lose that one, that would be, you know, somewhere around these levels, okay? Somewhere around these levels. If we lose that one, not much holding us. Like, we are gonna eventually go a bit lower, like, but we will see what happens. We'll see what happens if okay, there is one scenario that we have to keep in mind, okay? If Bitcoin finds a bottom around 14K ish, if it does, I'm not saying, you know, it will or it will not, we'll see when we get there, but if it does, Ethereum might hold around 1,000 or around $900. XRP might hold, you know, around let's say 0.2 or, you know, 0.2 to be a bit more conservative. Otherwise, if Bitcoin doesn't find a bottom around these levels, we could see, like, I'm putting it out there right now, we could see XRP around $0.1. We could, okay? I wish I had some better news for you guys. I know the market is in a tumble, but these are my unbiased opinions on, you know, what's going on. I'm just giving you pure TA. I'm not trying to hype you, or I'm not trying, you know, to break your hearts or something. So, you know, the support levels for XRP, because I could talk about resistance levels as well right now, but it's gonna be short term in that case, because things are not looking that good for me to talk about, you know, the resistance levels, no matter if it's Ethereum or XRP. I will do it when it comes to Bitcoin, but okay. So XRP. Good morning, sinner. Welcome. Hope you had a good sleep. So XRP, we do have some resistance around 0.36-ish, okay, around these levels. Yeah, around these levels, okay, like things things are not looking that good. I mean, if we close this hourly like this, let's say, just to be a bit more conservative, let's just say 0.34 to 0.36-ish, okay? So be cautious, guys. Things are not looking good all in all in the market. Yes, Bitcoin is still holding, at that support level that I spoke about last time. But if we break below 16,200, what's holding us, like what should be holding us, is this level right here, okay? 15.5 at least, to be a bit more conservative. But if we lose that one, guys, if we lose that one, and you guys see that I have an alert ready for this. If we lose that one, see you around 14k-ish. Just let's say 13,600 to 13,000, 13,600 to 14k areas, okay? Because there's not much right now that I can add to this. It is what it is. There is no hidden bullish divergence whatsoever. I mean, it's looking horrible. It's looking very bad, okay? Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. Right now, Sinner, the market is not up, but I'm okay, thank you. How are you doing yourself? I hope everything is fine with you as well. At least we're up. The markets are not up, but we are up. Sunday is going well. Now, I've just entered Monday where I am, but Sunday has been good, like very productive day. I've mainly been doing a lot of things, fixing a lot of things at home, and just putting a cozy vibe into the whole area and stuff. So I've been pretty occupied, but I'm here now. And how was your Sunday? I saw that you said that you were watching something that I'm not used to watch. I don't usually watch what you watch, but maybe one day you'll let me know what it is that you watch and I can have a look at it. Not bad. I know you understand what I'm talking about. We can do that. We can do that. We can probably screen share or something. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Bitcoin, closing to 16.2 areas. Okay, it's okay. It's happening. It is happening. Yeah, this is literally gonna be a dump stream. Like, what do you expect when you see that? As you said, Sinner, we had a the daily close just happened like 25 minutes ago. So weekly close happened 25 minutes ago, daily close happened 25 minutes ago, and here we are. Look at this, Sinner. Look at this. It's looking horrible. Very bad. It's looking horrible. Yeah, yeah. Like you said, we had a bearish engulfing candle. Like you said in Discord, we had this bearish engulfing candle on the daily. But what's worse than the daily is this weekly candle. I mean, and I heard that I already spoke about this yesterday, but the money that was hacked from FTX, and I quote, hacked. You guys can't see me, but I'm actually doing the quote sign right now. Hacked was around $900 million. $900 million. Like things are coming to the surface for every hour that goes by. Yeah, like that's what I think too. Like because it's too much of a coincidence, just imagine. Just imagine. And at the same time he was trying to flee, to run away to Dubai. I mean, come on. Some people say it's actually a hack, but nothing is confirmed for sure right now. So I don't know. There was somebody from Kraken saying that they know who the hacker is or something like that, but I don't know if this is rumors or if it's true. Um, but things are looking bad. $900 million. Let's have a look at FTT. For those of you who are suffering from what happened, I'm sorry to pull this chart up. Like I feel for you guys. But and I was saying that you guys should withdraw whatever you have in FTX, but then I found out, because I don't, I've never used FTX. I found out that people can't even, take their money out. It just keeps on getting worse and worse and worse. Yeah, stocks are having, well, we can say they're having a better day than the crypto space. Let's see now. Things are getting crazier. And did you guys hear about this? Crypto.com accidentally transferred, I quote, accidentally, US index. We can have a look at that. US index. But Crypto.com accidentally, I mean, it gets worse and worse. They accidentally, let's have a look at the DXY. Okay, we are holding support, Sinner. We are holding support. This is not bad. We are holding support, okay? Like, I spoke about this support, I think, on the last stream, if I'm not mistaken, right? And looks like it's being respected right now. We might, like, let me go a bit deeper. Okay, okay. Let's have a look at the 4-hourly. This looks nice. This looks, excuse me, but this looks good actually. Okay, so resistance, where can we find resistance? That would be around 109. Okay, 109, around these levels, fine. And if we can close above it, next one would be, well, still, I'm gonna say the same thing I said last time, okay? If we can't close above 110, excuse me, I'm a bit sorry in my throat, but if you can't close above, to be a bit more conservative, let's just say 111. We might, get rejected again. We might, but we'll see. I accidentally just turned off the music. Just a minute. Uno momento. The thumbnails are everything, right? Like, I try to make it, a bit fun. I'm actually the one, working on them, but I am gonna have a team that's gonna take care of the thumbnails because, yeah, like, sometimes you run out of ideas. Just a minute. Sorry for the high volume. That was not supposed to hurt your ears. I should have had like if I was a graphic designer or if I was a designer in general, I would have put, Sam's face on one of the, guys in the thumbnail, but yeah. But I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it. Okay, so DXY, that's DXY, okay? We gotta, close at least above 111, but things are looking good right now. Things are looking good. Um, we got this bullish divergence as well. Oh no, 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 no. I take that back. Let me look at the daily. Nope, not on the 4 hourly. I take that back. But on the daily, we do have hidden bullish divergence on the relative strength index, okay? So this is good. That plus us holding around support, good and good, okay? We just gotta close above 111 points, like literally to see some more push. And then again, this one that was acting as, support, this line right here, we could be rejected around these levels. Hopefully not, but we will see. We will see what happens. Okay, let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance and the look at this. Look at this. Well, we broke out of this box. That was that. That's it. Things are not looking that good. Things are not looking that good. If you look at the total crypto market, same. Wow. Wow. But then again, this is not surprising since everything is wrecked, okay? But look at this. This is also the total market cap, but it excludes, it's without BTC, okay? Also looking horrible, guys. And this is without BTC and Ethereum, okay? Let's just say, altcoins without Ethereum, okay? Also looking horrible, like wherever I look, things are looking worse and worse and worse and worse. Tesla market is still closed, so can't say much. I've been wanting to have a look at that. Let's have a look at literally the only thing that's doing well right now. It's crazy. So, unbelievable. Also, market closed. I guess when it opens, if we can, close above 54.8. Why am I looking at the weekly? Okay, there we go. Yep. If we can close above 54.8 on a daily, it's here around 60. Okay. $60 eventually. So Twitter, since Elon, got a hold of it, it's been doing well, better than what it was doing before Elon, okay? What else, Sinner? Do you have anything else on your mind that we can have a look at? Shoot me some markets and we'll have a look at it, okay? How's the S&P doing? We can have a look at that too. Just a minute. Market is closed anyways, but just to see what's going on. I don't think I have it in this list. Okay, whatever. So when market opens, things are looking good right now, okay? So I expect us to come at least to 4,100 or 4,120 around these levels. Then we got resistance. We got clear resistance, okay? And if we can break that, like close daily above that one, see eventually around 4,300-ish around these levels. But market is closed right now. We'll see what happens. But it's looking good. I like how it's looking right now. The Japanese indicator is looking good. Our side is in bullish territories. Another good sign. So Sinner, I understand. Yep. That like I'm trying to keep this a family channel, so I'm gonna say that mother, father, Sam. But I know what you mean. I hope he ends up in jail. Like, I really hope he ends up in jail. Like, wow. I feel sorry for you. We can have a look at Sol. Ooh. Oh my God. This candle right here. This sell pressure right here. Wow. I mean, Sinner, like, was it, leverage or was it spot trading that you were in when it comes to Sol? This is not looking good at all. Okay, Sol, real fast. We do have, positive momentum on the MACD still, but we are losing, as you guys can see, we are losing strength, okay? RSI is weak, super weak, okay? We lost support around $15. So, what's next? If eventually see around $5 again, eventually see around $5, but we do have some support around $9, okay? But the way things are looking, if we come to $5, it's nothing surprising, okay? Just be ready for it. Like, question is, are we ever gonna see Solana rebound? Are we ever gonna see Solana, bottom and then go to higher levels? Are we ever gonna see a new all-time high on Solana? These are the questions you should be asking yourself right now. Like, is it done? Or is it gonna be alive, after everything bottoms in? That's the question. That's the real question. On the 4 hourly, like I'm trying to find some hopium for you, sinner, some hopium, but if we lose again, we lose this support box right now, okay? We are still, around it. I can just stretch it like this. Spot hold. Okay, spot hold. Like, it's actually better than leverage, but at the same time, if you're down, like what you told me, on Discord, it's still bad. It's still bad. So I feel for you a lot. I don't know, like, sometimes it's better to cut your losses, okay? But at the same time, I know you're hurting right now. I know. So hopefully we see Solana turn around. But the way things are looking right now, I don't know. Like, this is the thing, okay? In one way, it's good that all this stuff is happening, all this, crazy things are happening, and a lot of things are coming to the surface, and scam, well, projects that are scams or ALTCOINS are, showing themselves. At the same time, I feel sorry for the people that are affected, but it's good in one way, because now the real ones, like, let's say next year and the year after that, it's only the real coins, well, real, I quote, but the good projects that are gonna be surviving, okay? But the bad ones are gonna be, like, washed away eventually. And without these kind of black swans, they don't get washed away. Yeah, Soul is that, like, the time, well, when I was looking at Solana, last chance for people to get out was actually around these levels, if you were still holding, from the top. Because when we got this dark cloud cover right here, I mean, it was done. Since then, it's been done. We've never seen these levels ever again. Then we had support here. We broke below support and bye-bye. Literally bye-bye. Like, nothing happened. I don't know, like, it's in some way, I don't recommend, new traders or traders that don't have a lot of experience to leverage trade at all. I don't. But, like, the way I think, I'm gonna share with you what I think, okay? When I see this kind of patterns, like, it's easier to, put a little bit of your funds, and leverage it and just short the hell out of it. But just a little bit, a little bit, because I don't want you to have all your funds and exchanges the way things are looking, and I don't know what. But right now, just this is not financial advice. I'm telling you, I would have done that, at around these levels, okay? But right now, yep, I saw that video. Like, I can't still get that video, like, out of my head, sinner. Thank you for sharing that one, because I've never seen that one before. It's this is the lesson we learned from what Caroline said. Whatever Caroline said, just do the opposite, and you'll do much better. Just do the complete opposite. She said they don't use stop losses. You know what to do. She said they don't use a lot of technical analysis. You know what to do. Literally just do the opposite and you'll be fine. And this is not financial advice, by the way, guys. I'm just kidding with you. But it's bad. It's bad. Yeah, Solana's bad. Let's have a look at Matic weekly. Yesterday I did say like things are looking bearish, and they are still. Nothing has changed, okay? Short-term moving average is curling. As you guys can see, it's going lower and lower. Did you check high block? I actually didn't get the chance to do it today, but I have time to do it tomorrow, so I'll definitely do it tomorrow, okay? I'll do it tomorrow and I'll let you know in Discord sooner. Because today, like I said, I was occupied doing things. Like I sat down literally just before I went live. But tomorrow I got some time, so I'm just gonna check it out and let you know. And if it's a paid subscription, I'm just gonna pay and, you know, just see if it's bad or good. Like there's nothing wrong with paying sometimes, you know, if there's value in what you're paying. So I'll definitely, you know, be a member if needed, and I can let you know. Matic, guys, we are below support. Okay, we are below support. Oh, by the way, Sinner, if you have a video, I know you told me that you had some clip, if I'm not mistaken. If you have a clip, just send it to Discord and I'll have a look at that as well. Oh, don't pay? Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Perfect. I appreciate that. Do so, and I'll definitely start, you know, studying it tomorrow and let you know what I think. That's sweet of you. Thank you. So Matic, we do have. Yeah, you're correct. Yeah, you're correct. Okay. Yeah, then it's decided. We'll do as you say, okay? So Matic, we are losing, you know, positive momentum. Like it's getting weaker. RSI is below neutral, and this is the weekly, by the way, guys. Look at this candle. I do not like it at all. There's nothing to like, okay? We broke below 0.94. It's like $850 a year. It's okay. If there's value, like I said, it's okay. But let me have a look at it first. So I appreciate you sharing the videos with me, and I'll have an eye on it and see. Yeah, this is the thing when it comes to technical analysis and stuff. For some things, it's pricey. It's pricey. But I don't mind it being pricey if it's worth it. If there's value in it, like, it's fine, you know? You're like paying for knowledge in other terms. There is no hidden. Well, wait. Matic. Okay, we still have this hidden bullish divergence on the daily. And, So, my trading style. How's my trading style? Just a minute, I gotta drink some water and I'll answer that question. Just a moment. Okay, so I know you said that my trading style is a bit hard. I mean it's helpful for scalping day trading. Well, it's helpful even for a minute chart. Okay, Sinner? Thing is, it's not that often I do those, you know, minute things, 1 minute things. But it is very helpful because my trading style goes by, like I'll discuss this with you more in Discord, but like I told you, it's even though it's hard, it gets easier the more you understand it. Like anything else, when you start studying something, it gets easier in time, right? So it includes reading Eastern indicators, okay, number one. It includes reading Western indicators, number two, okay? And I don't wanna like brag. I don't wanna brag, but I'm pretty good when it comes to candlesticks. And I'm saying this humbly, okay? Very humbly. That's why you see that if you go through my videos, Sinner, the short videos or the videos that I make that are 10-minute long, you can see that support and resistance areas are respected. Like, for example, the one I spoke about yesterday, quant. Like, people were talking about it exploding when it was above $180. A lot of people were saying, oh, it's exploding. A lot of people were hyping each other up and this and that. Then I came, to burst the bubble as usual, because I feel this is the thing with me. Since I've been there, I've been like I told you, I was getting advice, and these were supposed to be like, I don't know the people that well, but these were supposed to be friends. They called themselves friends of mine, okay? But we didn't know each other that much. But they were hyping me up, and they were, telling me to buy this and that. How long stream will continue? At least, let's see, how long have I been on now? At least 40 more minutes, something like that. And then I think we'll call it a day. So these people were telling me, oh, buy this and buy that and do this and do that. Little did I know that all people are not kind. Some people are actually good. If they know, you have a little money to invest, then they just do it for their own pockets. It's very, very sad, because nowadays when they turn around and ask for my help, I just say blank. Like, I can be kind, but when it comes to some people, I'm very strict. So when they ask for my help nowadays, and ask me, oh, what do you think about this? I just tell them, I don't have time, and like they can do their own research, point blank. So I did the video on quant. You can have a look at it real fast. I did the video on quant when it was around, I think, $180, if I'm not mistaken. It's been a while now. I think we're around these levels, yeah? $180. And I said we'll see one more leg up, just one more leg up, and we're around these levels then, okay? To $230, we did. We got that area, and then I did say, then we'll see a pullback. You can find that video on the shorts. Anyways, why I'm good with this is like you see, I don't have a lot of indicators when. Thank you, you're sweet, Sinner. Thank you. Like there's always space to learn more, to grow more. But after all these years, my point was to be a pro, and thank the universe and the great one, we are here today. Thank you, Sinner. So I told people, keep an eye on this level. I don't want people to get wrecked, because I saw a lot of people were hyping people and going like, oh, we're going straight up to $500 and I don't know what. But I was like I don't want people to get wrecked. And I, like, full disclosure, I didn't even trade quant. I didn't trade quant. I didn't have any quant. I did it literally so people won't get wrecked. Because I know a lot of people, probably make videos about stuff they own and stuff they trade, and some people, dump on other people. And I don't know what. Like this channel is gonna be an honest one. That's my goal. It's gonna be honest. It's gonna be pure TA. When there's time to hype, I'll hype. We will jump around. We will laugh together. We will hype together. But when there's no hype, I'm gonna put it straightforward for you. Even if it sounds hard, I'm gonna put it the way it is. So it's unbiased TA, literally. So yeah, all those years of experience and learning and knowledge, sucking all this knowledge in, it actually, brings you to a place where you feel comfortable when you're looking at the chart. You don't freak out. You can actually, like I said in one of my live streams, I used to wake up now and then. This is in the beginning, like many years ago, okay? I used to wake up now and then, look at the chart, and this is waking up from the middle of my sleep, okay? I used to look at the chart and I literally wanted to cry. I literally wanted to cry. I was like, no, no. But now you can have a good night's sleep. You can wake up. You don't have to stress anymore. And hopefully, Sinner, you know, you'll be not only a pro, you'll be a master, like hopefully. We all have been noobs. We all start somewhere. I think let's say 6 to 7, but you have to understand something, Sinner. No, I, I wish, but not yet, not yet. I have a long way to go. Um, but 6 to 7 years, okay? But there's one thing you need to know. I wish. There's one thing you need to know. I was this, you know how they say eat, sleep, trade, repeat? That was me. That was my life. Literally, like I closed my friends were worried about me. It got to that point. Like they used to call me and go like, you need to get out. Like you need to get out. And I kept on telling them like, I'm gonna get out, when I reach the goal I wanna reach. Like I'm gonna get out when I'm done with this. Like I'm not, because like I told you, I saw those people that were telling me, literally, this is true story, okay? They were telling me to buy Ripple. They were telling me to buy Ripple. I think let me go back to Ripple because I can't believe like people were so evil that they told me this. But I have to go to XRP to just. It's not even in this chart. Okay, let me try to find Polynex. I don't know if you guys have heard about it. This was way back, okay? Way back. Okay, so they were telling me to, these people, okay, literally were telling me to buy Ripple around these levels, okay? These levels. And then, it went down, I got wrecked and I don't know what. I was like feeling sick to my stomach because, I think I bought at these levels, the top, okay? And these people I'm telling you about, they bought Ripple around these levels, like 0.06. I remember him telling me $0.06, something like that, okay? And Miss Dana bought at 0.45. I was like, wow. So it went down. It was down a good while, and for me, it's like I wasn't like being young, not having, a lot of, money and all that. I was really sad that, it never went up for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, something like that. And unfortunately, I sold around this area right here. Unfortunately, okay? And then I remember the same guy that told me to, because we were in a group. Anyway, he came back. This is after I started, getting some meat in my bones, like on my bones, and I started getting better with TA. I remember him telling people to buy at these levels right here. Like, I couldn't be quiet. I couldn't be quiet. So I just started writing in the group immediately, like, guys, don't do it. And everybody was like, why not? He's a pro. He's been in the game for a long time, and I don't know what, this and that. And I was telling them, please do not buy at these levels. Like, don't. You will be wrecked. Nobody listened to me. Being a girl, I think I was the only girl in the group, unfortunately. So being a girl and all that, nobody listened. Like, nobody listened at all. Fast forward, okay? Same people turned around and they were they started asking me like, "Oh, Dana, what do you think?" and this and that. But since I don't forget what they did, like they didn't listen to me at these areas, I just told them, do your own research. Like, I'm not gonna tell you this or that. Like, I'm not a financial advisor anyways. Plus, since I was a girl, they were not even taking my advice, right? So I was like, whatever, like, I can't help you, sorry. So yeah, some people are just plain evil, like plain evil. That guy though, every time he told them to buy at these levels, remember, he bought at 0.06. So he was just pumping his bags and probably dumping on them, literally dumping on them. But yeah, what can I say? What can I say? If you don't know this exchange, Holonix, Sinner, it's one of the oldest exchanges, like one of the oldest exchanges in crypto. Yep, he was provided liquidity, and these people that were buying around these levels, like, they were not poor. I mean, they were buying Ripple for like 50K, 100K. They were not poor, okay? Luckily, since they were not poor, they didn't, get poorer because of this situation, but you know what I mean. Like, I wonder, like, if he ever finds this channel, he's probably gonna um know my voice. And if he does, like, I'm not giving out names and so on because, privacy and all that. But if he does, like, I just want to say to you, like, I'm still in that group, and I told him this to his face, and I'm gonna say it again. I mean, face, on voice chat. You are like smart, but you are pure evil. Like, it's not even okay. It's not even okay. It's in Telegram, Sinner. It's in Telegram. Like, they are a bunch of like, how can I say this? Like, they consider themselves to be elites since they've been in the game for a long, long time, a long, long time. And some of them are elites, like money-wise as well, but most of them are just, normal people. But the same guy, like, if I say too much now, like, people might know who it is. But this is a guy who accidentally lost a lot of BTC in fees. He he accidentally lost a lot of Bitcoins in fees. His life didn't change. Like I said, he is wealthy. But yeah, like, the things I've seen in my life is crazy. Yeah, I'll tell you in Discord. I'll definitely tell you in Discord. It's crazy things I've seen. Crazy things. People are, yeah. The richer they get, the more evil they get. It's just sick. Hey Carl, welcome back. Hope you've had a blessed Sunday. I know Sinner is from somewhere. I know you live in somewhere. I think it's Never Everland. But Carl, if you like, you don't have to tell us. I know everybody is like very careful when it comes to privacy and so on. But are you from the east? Are you from the west? Are you closer to Europe? Are you closer to... I know, I respect it, Sinner. Completely full respect. No, it's okay, it's okay. I'm glad you're back. You mean your phone battery or your laptop? I don't know if you guys are watching on the, TV, cell phone, or laptop. Look at this. Bitcoin trying to act confused on the 4-hourly chart, but not here. Not here at all. Weekly is still looking horrible. Oh, but I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're here. KSI. No, I don't, Sinner. Like, what is that? And Dodge, every time Elon says that, he just, writes Dodge, like, this is not even TA. Dodge is not even TA anymore. Well, it's been respecting TA, but you guys know what I mean. Every time Elon mentions Dodge, it goes up. It's sick. Is he an influencer or what does he do, Sinner? Does he do TA or what? I have to be honest, like it's been a while since, I followed, influencers on YouTube and so on. Oh, UK biggest YouTuber. Like I have no idea. Like I have no idea. No idea. What's his YouTube channel about? Dinner. Exactly. Thank you. Um, I'm close to you, Carl. I'm very close to you. I'm in Europe, so we're pretty close with each other. I was actually in UK last year, but we're close. And Sinner is from Never Everland. It's a secret, like maybe one day we'll know, but he's from Never Everland. Near Marsh. Exactly. Okay, DXY, like, what's going on? Yeah, we got a hold above 106.5, literally. All right, Carl. True. I think there's still a description. Like, I mean, the link, Discord link is in the description. And me and Sinner usually have a lot of fun. He's a fun guy. And he does share charts as well. And we talk, TA and all that. One day we're gonna have, I'm gonna tell you guys now. Luckily, it's you too. So we're gonna have, a VIP group or traders in Discord. So right now it's just, open and free. I mean, free for people, to join. So go ahead and join. But one day we're gonna close one of the channels and just, keep it for the OGs and the legends, What else? What else is going on with the markets? Dow futures down 0.2%. Nasdaq futures down 0.42%. Wait, is US oil? Hold on. Nope, not that one. Not that one. I thought I had US oil in this list. Where is it? Gold has been doing well, by the way, guys. We are right at resistance when it comes to gold. For those of you that are into gold, we are right at resistance. Like, if you can at least close above 1,772. We came all the way to 1,771. Next resistance will be around 1,800-ish. Okay. Gold has been booming. I've noticed one thing when it comes to gold and Bitcoin. I don't know if you guys know about this, but every time gold goes up, Bitcoin is going down. Okay? Just go back to the charts. Not every time, but most of the times. Bitcoin goes up, gold goes down. Gold goes up, Bitcoin goes down. Like, they have some type of correlation. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty interesting. Carl, I've just been building up my coins at the moment. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're not affected by this FTX thing, Carl. Luckily, it's not everybody in the crypto space that had funds in FTX, luckily, because yeah, I thought so, but it's not. A lot of people could smell, I don't know if you heard that, noise, but they smelled that Sam was fishy. Like, I wasn't expecting nothing like this going to happen with FTX, but that guy Sam, he looks fishy. Like, the way he speaks is fishy. Like, I don't know how people just trusted him that easily. Thank God. Perfect. Yeah, even Elon said that his detector went off or something, when Sam was close to him. So, but I don't know how, like, the government, I don't want to get into politics, but I don't know how, like, he was that close with the government. Like, it makes no sense. He must have paid a good amount of money. Okay, Bitcoin back at critical levels. Come on, can it just break so we can get over with this? Like, who's even buying at these levels? Who? Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. I know his like mother and father are well established in the community as well, and they have connections with the government or what, something like that. I don't know. Even Caroline's father, I read somewhere something like that. So everybody has some type of connection with the Democrats in one way or the other. So Duquan is probably laughing somewhere and going like, damn, Sam is a rookie when it comes to hiding. Literally a rookie, because that guy Duquan is still talking from somewhere. Those interviews he's been doing, like it's crazy, but these interviews he's been doing, it looks like he's in some basement, in some cellar. I'm not even kidding. Like the last interview I saw, I don't know. He looks like he's fine, okay? Health wise, he looks like he's fine. And he has no shame. He has no shame. He's still showing his face, knowing that people lost people because of this. Ugh. Crypto. Whoever is still in this space after whatever happened this year, I hope it plays out. I really hope it plays out. See you later, Sinner. See you in Discord. Have a beautiful day until then. I don't know if it's Sunday or Monday in Never Everland. Maybe it's Sunday and Monday, both of them. But just, take care, and I'll see you in Discord, okay? Thank you for being here. Always fun. Here we go. Here we go. Bitcoin. Okay. Let's have a look at FTT at the same time. This thing is about to break so hard. See you at 0 or negative something when it comes to FTT. I've said this for like 3-4 days. I don't expect anything else. Like, that's it. It's done. Carl, do you have any coin or any market you would like me to do some TA on? Just shoot. Oh yeah, I do. Luckily, not in FTX, luckily. Mostly short-term trading, swing trading, most of the times, of course. We had a look at it, but we can have a look at it again, no problems. Okay, like I said, Ethereum, yeah, I'm glad I stayed away from that. Ethereum, we closed with a weekly bearish engulfing candle, unfortunately. Okay, this is looking bad for the bulls, real bad. I wasn't that good either in the beginning, Carl. Like, trust me when I say, with the right education, put time into it, right knowledge, exercising experience, um, exercising risk management, understanding the trading psychology, you'll be sleeping better as well, okay? It just takes time. Like, none of us are born, knowing everything in this world. We have to learn. Practice makes perfect. So, Ethereum, my friend, we closed with a bearish engulfing candle. There is sell pressure looking at the volume, as you can see. MACD, we are losing strength, like I said before, and our side is below neutral. Like everything is pointing out to the bears being in control. Like literally everything, okay? We are below this long-term moving average as well. It was acting as support. If you can see here, it was acting as support for many weeks, but not anymore. This candle kind of took out everything, okay? That's the weekly, and the daily is looking as bad, okay? We got negative momentum on the MACD. We do have support, like we do have support right now, like very, very short term. We do have support around $1,188. But if we lose that one, next support would be around 1,150. It's not that far from this one, but I have to give you my unbiased TA. That's why I'm letting you know, okay? And if we lose 1,160, see eventually back around $1,000-ish, okay? So you have to be careful. Things are not looking that good when it comes to Ethereum either. It was definitely looking better than Bitcoin, but not anymore. I was stocks, but I got killed. Lol. Ah, okay. But it's good to, to have a variation. It's good to be in stocks and bold in crypto, like in my opinion, because sometimes crypto can be so boring. So then you should have a look at stocks, okay? Okay, what you think for goodbye in? For goodbye in? You mean in Ethereum or you mean in another market, Carl? Because if you're talking about Ethereum, well, if me, I would wait until we get to these levels. Okay, let me just draw a box here for you, right here. I would wait until these levels. Okay, if you want to dollar cost average, this would be one of the points, and the next one would be around these levels right here. Okay, if you're buying to trade, like me personally, I would wait to see if there's any indication telling us that the bears are tired or bears are, losing steam, or if I see any reversal signals around these levels at support. Because now we're still holding the support. If you look at the 1 hourly chart, it's sick, but look, we're holding, okay? But if you ask me, do I see any reversal indications? There was this candle here, this doji, telling us market is a bit confused, like bulls and bears are, fighting. But we have this resistance right here, so it doesn't matter, okay? But I definitely wait for these levels, at least these levels, and take it from there. Because right now, nothing is indicating that we're gonna go up. At least not this candle. So yeah, don't fight the trend, just, trade the trend instead. I don't know if we have some type of, let me check this out now. Let me do this. I wonder if there's a bear flag building again. Because if that's the case, interesting. Look at this. Perfect, Carl. Sometimes these bear flags or these, parallel channels, if you ask me, they are a trader's heaven, okay? They are a trader's heaven because you sell, you buy, you sell, and why I say sell here, like, this three line, candle right here, it is an evening star, okay? indicating that price could go down. Like nothing is ever sure 100%, but that's what it indicates, okay? You can take notes if you want. The criterias are that market is in an uptrend, check, okay? First candle is long white, check. Second candle, small real body, okay? That doesn't overlap first real body, okay? Check. Third candle is a red real body that gets deeply into the first, real body, or even goes over it, okay? So if you see this, market is telling you one thing. It's that the bears are in control. These are helpful things you should take with you, because I might not be live and you see this type of pattern in any market or any stock. Like it applies to any market, literally, in the crypto space, in stocks, anything. If you see it, then you can go like, oh right, Dana said something about this. Oh, then you can be careful, instead of being just sucked in and buying at these levels. Then you're ready for what's coming. Capiche? You got me? Okay, Bitcoin getting to critical areas, guys. Perfect, perfect. I know sometimes it sounds complicated, but the more I repeat this, the more it's gonna get stuck in your head, and the more you practice it, the more you find it in charts and try to practice it, the more you're gonna just breathe it, as if it's air, okay? And if it's difficult, just let me know. If you're gonna be joining Discord, I can repeat that again, and just get a bit deeper. Like when I learned this, I remember I paid like a good amount, like a few $1,000s, to learn all this. But I remember I thought it was so like difficult. It gave me such a headache. But then the more I practiced it, I was like, wow, this actually like works. It's crazy. Oh, is it the first time you're using Discord? Don't worry. Um, I think I've only used Discord for like a year now, so I'm not a pro. But Sinner seems like he knows his way around Discord, so you can help us around. We learn and grow together. Don't worry. Whoa, what's going on here? It's the only coin literally that's up 5%. Like everything else is like red, 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 red. That's all I see. Red all across the market. I'm just still like, there's not much to discuss really when it comes to the crypto space. I just want to see what's gonna happen. Like, we still have half an hour left until this hourly candle closes. You mean on Zen? You mean on this one, buddy? Yeah, yeah. It's actually a nice pump compared to everything else, but if we can't break above 0.00001,002, okay? Um, there is some hidden bearish divergence, okay? And we do have resistance around these levels as well. If we can break above this one, if we can break above this one, I'm looking at the 1 hourly now, so I'm talking about very, very, very short term, okay? Then see eventually around these levels, fine. But looking at the 4 hourly, let's see now if there's anything interesting on the daily and the 4 hourly. Like, yeah, I cannot do much when it comes to the daily. Like, the Western indicators are still being developed, like born. It's pretty new. But 4 hourly, we do have hidden bullish divergence. There you go. There is a reason for this pump. We do have hidden bullish divergence, guys, on Zen. Interesting. Let me have a look at my other chart and see if we're above the 20 period moving average as well. Like, it's the only moving average that's alive when it comes to Zen. Nah, 20 period moving average is below the 50 period moving average, which is pretty bearish, okay? But what I like with Zen right now is it's holding support, guys. It's holding support, okay? Like, this is not bad. This is on BitGet. You see how they look different? Like, Japanese indicators look very different. Look at this one. But nevertheless, it's looking okay. It's looking okay. We do have major resistance around 0.0001,122 areas, okay? If we can break that one, see eventually around 0.00001300-ish, okay guys? Like, not much holding us until that point right there. But on the 4 hourly, moving averages looking bearish, okay? But we definitely have hidden bullish divergence. That's nice. Up 9% right now. Wow. Go Zen. Crazy, right? Bitcoin dumping and Zen, the coin that's pretty new, is doing better. That's crypto. All cuckoo, all craziness, but craziness for the good. It's okay. I had a question the other day who I prefer, like, if I only, look at crypto and nothing else. I said, no, that's not the point. I also look at stocks and commodities and so on. But let's be honest. Is there anything more interesting than the crypto space? And on top of that, it's 24/7, 365, days a year. And you know how the stock is, they're closed when, they're up from 9 to 5 and then they're closed. It's something like that. But crypto space is non-stop. Like, you can literally wake up in the middle of the night on a Sunday evening and there's some action. And besides, Bitcoin is included in the crypto space. So, yep, it never sleeps. It never sleeps. Like, there's always some chance for you in the market, to win some bread, if you know what I mean. That's not the way it is in stocks. Like, as soon as Saturday comes, I mean, market is closed on Friday. That's it. You gotta wait 2 days until it opens and then, continue. Bitcoin dumpish. Like right now, it's actually interesting to even look at the 10-minute chart. Uh-oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That went fast. That's fast. Let's see if this is gonna be the final capitulation. Let's see, Bitcoin. I mean, not now, literally, but 14K-ish. We'll see. We'll see. Some good points to buy. Not following, Carl. What you mean on Bitcoin? Well, the way things are looking right now, yeah, I definitely wait. Like, let's see if 15.8, like 15.5, to be a bit more conservative, 15.5 doesn't hold. I definitely wait and see what happens around 13,700 to 14K-ish. Okay, maybe if it's me, I'd probably go in a bit at these levels, and then if I see some strength, bulls coming in with strength at these levels, get some more. But I'd wait because right now we don't know if this is gonna be it. We don't know if the bottom is here. We don't know if the bottom is here. All we know is market is not looking good, and probabilities are higher that we are gonna go down to 14K-ish. That much we know, okay? That the probabilities are higher. Like anybody who tells you that I know when the bottom is in right now, I don't know, they might be related to Nostradamus or something, because it's not that easy. That much I can say, okay? That's why I love the indicators, Japanese indicators and so on. Lol, Carl, I need to send you a new battery or something. It's okay, it's okay. I understand. I'm not even gonna be streaming more than 20 minutes, so I'll be gone myself pretty soon. I'm gonna turn my battery off and go to bed. So, and I mean my brain battery off. So until then, hopefully it holds. I mean your battery, hopefully it holds. Like, yeah, we don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see, when we reach these levels. That's why, I try to do daily live streams, because anything can happen, and it's good to be updated. Like, you can't be married, like, I can't be married to one opinion. Like, I have to change if I see anything indicating a change in the trend. Okay, then I have to just let go of the bearish sentiment that I am on right now and just go with the flow. Simple. I know a lot of people get stuck once they say they're bullish. They're bullish all the way from $70,000 to 30K, and then around 30K they still say they're bullish, and then around 20K they go like, okay, now we're bearish. That's not the way it works. Let's see now. 17 minutes left. Let's see how this will go. Oh, Carl, I did not see that you want me to have a look at flow. I can have a look at it now. I just saw that chat. Just a minute. Flow. What is this flow versus CSDT? Oh, Carl, like you're really testing it right now. Carl, Looking at the weekly, I mean, it's horrible. Look at this bearish engulfing candle in the weekly, and we are losing, positive strength on the MACD. Our site is below neutral. Okay. Let's have a look at the daily. Carl, this is not looking good. If your battery died, like you're missing this because I just saw that you want me to have a look at flow. This is not looking good, Carl. You're probably gonna come back, watch the show when your mobile is back on, and you're gonna freak out. And I'm telling you now, I'm sorry. I hope, well, it's up to you if you wanna be in it, but right now, no. Your question was if I see any potential in flow, right? Would you look at flow, see if it's got any potential? Okay. My answer is right now, no, Carl. No, I don't see any potential right now. There is one good thing that you can, take with you right now. There is hidden bullish divergence on the RSI. Okay, looking at this point to this point, there is hidden bullish divergence, but let me look at the moving average on my other screen as well. Just a minute. Like, we are being rejected by the 20 period moving average, Carl, okay? And if we do not hold this, I mean, I cannot say much for the daily. It's looking very bearish, but at least on the 4-hourly chart, like, we are close to this support, okay? So it's important that we hold around this level right here. Let me just see that it's straight. Yes, it is. So on the 4-hourly, we are at support, okay? We are at support, but if we break below, if we close 4-hourly candle below this level, Carl, we are gonna go lower, and like there's nothing I can look back to give you some point, like nothing. This is a pretty new coin, right? So yeah, Carl, not looking good, Carl. I keep on saying Carl because it's not looking good, Carl. Okay, this is your last support that you have right here, okay? If you can't hold this one, it's going lower. If we see some strength here, let me look at the hourly for you. Let me see if there's any divergence or so on. Yeah, okay, we do have some hidden, bullish divergence developing on the hourly as well, but it all depends on if we can stick above this level, if we can hold above this level. If not, we're going lower, okay? So that's flow. It's not looking bright. It's not looking bright at all. Sorry, dude. Okay, back to Bitcoin, dumping. Like, it's more fun to even have a look at the 10-minute chart right now. We can have a look at the hourly, 3-hourly, I mean, but it does matter. 3 days is just horrible. Horrible. Let me do this. Wow. Where's the 2-day chart? There. Yeah, bad. Everything's just looking bad. 9 minutes left, guys. 9 minutes left. Oh, by the way, guys, like, you remember I had like 95 subscribers yesterday? Something is going on with YouTube. I literally, like, both of them disappeared. And I don't know why. It's not like I have dislikes in my videos. Like, most of my videos are 100% likes only. But even the one, like I have a video with the highest likes I got. I think it was like 31 likes or something. 100% likes, no dislikes, and I love you guys for that. But I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's something wrong with YouTube or something. Like I had 95 subscribers, and yesterday like one disappeared. It's like what's going on? No, I think two disappeared because I'm back at 93 if I'm not mistaken. Last time I checked, at least. But you see that subscriber goal up there, guys? It's you see 17/100, but it should actually be 93/100. I don't know why it's saying 17, but only a few left, only a few more subscribers to go, and it's gonna be a milestone check for me because I never even thought of 100 coming. So now it's 100 almost soon, and I appreciate you guys. If you find value in those streams and in the content that I bring you, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and liking, especially hitting the bell so you're notified before I go live next time, or notified when I release a video, because some videos they are time sensitive because they are for short term, okay? But I appreciate you guys, each and one of you. 6 minutes left. 6 minutes left. Come on. How's this candle gonna close? Let's see. Like, I'm super thirsty, guys. Okay, I'm gonna just grab a glass of aqua water and I'll be back. I know there's only 6 minutes left, but I'm super thirsty. I've just been talking nonstop now. So I'll just be back in a minute or two. Enjoy the tune and the chart until then. I'm back, guys, and the hourly candle just like closed. This is uh, this is not like giving me good vibes. Yeah, we're probably gonna go lower. Like if 16K doesn't hold, see at the recent lows again eventually. We got resistance around like this is on the hourly chart, okay? We got resistance around 16.2 now. Or let's be a bit more conservative. Let's say 16.5 to 16.6, okay? 16.5 to 16.6, guys. So that's like we need to break above 16.6 on an hourly at least, you know, to see a bit more action to the upside, a bit more, but that's the first resistance that I see on an hourly, okay? But the way things are looking, like I said, I'm not like having a good vibe for the bulls right now. It's looking the way it's looking, guys. So chat and friends, legends, this is your host Dana. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully, like this is the final capitulation, hopefully, but we don't know yet, okay? If I see something indicating that, I'm definitely gonna come and talk about it. But until then, all we got is some hopium, you know, to breathe in, and copium to breathe in to cope with what's going on with everything, okay? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all the love, the likes, the subscribes, and everything in between. I appreciate you all, and remember, do not do what Alameda did. Stop losses are not a bad thing to have, okay? They are a way to manage your risks, okay? And until then, take care for me, take care of each other, and much love from me. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell to be notified before I go live next time. And see you on the next one. Bye.